Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a bit different. I'm going to be doing a couple of tips for you guys. The topic today is going to be hygiene. So I have 10 tips for good hygiene. These are just tips that I've learned along the way that I think that may possibly be able to help someone else. So let's just get on with the video. Alright, so my first tip, and probably the most important tip ever, is to drink water. It is so important to drink water. I'll say that one of my most guilty pleasures is to drink Sprite. That is probably, that would be my drug of choice if I had to pick one. Water is probably my favorite drink, just because I feel like water's the only thing that can quench your thirst fully. Not even a sugary lemonade or iced tea can really quench my thirst. Another suggestion slash alternative that's also really good for you is cranberry juice. Not cranberry juice cocktail, the 100% juice kind. I'll put a picture somewhere around here, but that is the one you need to be drinking if you do choose to drink cranberry juice, because cocktail has a bunch of sugar in it. So you want to be drinking the 100% natural one. Tip number 2. Showering every day. This may be just common sense for myself or the next person, but showering every day is one of the most important factors to your hygiene, okay? Especially being a girl, regardless of your gender, showering every day is important regardless. So the soap that I use, Dove soap, I really love Dove. It doesn't leave that weird filmy feeling on you. I prefer bar soap just because I feel like I'm in control of cleansing myself. Dove soap's great. I used to use all different types of Dove, but the only Dove that I'm allow myself to use is sensitive skin Dove or the white Dove. Something that's also important is to exfoliate every day, or not every day, exfoliating, I'll say every other day I like to do, and I like to do that with soft soap coconut butter body scrub. I like this soap because it has little beads in it that give you a deep clean, so I like that a lot. And if I am exfoliating, I'll use one of the loofahs and just go over my body after I use my Dove. I don't go down into my private areas with that though. I personally like to use white washcloths to wash up with. I feel like the color cloths have dye in them, and that can irritate me. I have really sensitive skin, especially down in my vagina areas. Number 3, your vagina, for all the ladies. So like I said before, Dove soap is your #1 friend. I know that a lot of people like to use Summer's Eve or those other pH balance stuff, which I don't really have an opinion on because I've never used it. Dove is my best friend. I don't insert it into my vagina, but I do wash around the area, and I just take water, and you can even just wash down there with water. Your vagina is a self-cleansing system, so, and if you have a mobile shower head, you can literally just go and wash yourself up for a good 5 minutes, and you'll be great. Once I stuck to what I know and what I'm used to, Dove sensitive skin soap, I haven't gone wrong since. Another tip, do not wear lace underwear for an extended period of time. When I tell you, that is, for me, the #1 way for me to get a yeast infection or UTI or whatever is by wearing lace underwear. I like to, from everyday panties, I like to wear cotton or something that I'm able to breathe in. And another thing, you can try sleeping without underwear at night. You get to air yourself out. It feels great. Try it, trust me. And then another key to keeping a clean and healthy vagina is water. Water is your best friend, and once you understand the importance of it, you'll be on the right track. Number 4, the 4th tip. Hair removal. Hair removal is important because you do not want to walk around with your underarms and your legs and your vagina woofing. Some people may have different preferences, but for me, I don't like that. Especially in the summertime, a lot of your skin is showing. You don't want no hairy ass underarms. So some tips, some ways to remove hair. There's 3 main ways that I know of and that are affordable for me. My number 1 way is waxing. I go to the European Wax Center. They have different locations around the United States, if I'm not mistaken. And getting a Brazilian wax is $50. And although it's expensive, it does last you like 3 or 4 weeks. And it's amazing. It's one of the best feelings you can have getting a Brazilian wax. And there's also at-home wax kits that they sell at the drugstore that you can try out. The second way of removing your hair will be to nair. So I would suggest nairing your legs and your underarms. Me personally, I don't nair anywhere down where my vagina is. Now shaving is the third alternative that I had. So some tips for shaving: I have to exfoliate before you do so you can exfoliate with the coconut butter cream that I said, and there's also like sugar and salt scrubs that you can do beforehand. Shave, make sure you're shaving downwards, so like you're not dragging the hair upwards this way. You want to make sure you're shaving downwards. And afterwards, make sure you're moisturizing. Not moisturizing can result in those hair bumps and like unwanted scars and marks, and you just don't want it. So there are some preventative ways to shave with success, but I would suggest the first 2. Number 5, lotioning after every shower. Oh my god, that's so important, especially if you take hot showers like I do. I like my showers on hell. So if you take really hot showers, you are drawing a lot of like moisture from your skin. So you want to make sure you like replenish your skin by moisturizing afterwards. Some really good lotions that I like to use. I like Jergens. I'm about to show you guys. This is the Jergens Hydrating Coconut Lotion, and this has coconut oil and coconut water in it, and my friend Betty suggested this to me and I really love it. Another alternative lotion that I really like is the Nivea. I'm gonna put a picture up, but that's a great one. So those are really good alternatives. Another alternative that I have is shea butter. Really great. It's really thick, so if you have eczema, that'd probably be really good for you. And coconut oil. Number 6, brushing and flossing 2 times a day. You want to make sure that you change your toothbrush as well. I think that it's suggested to change your toothbrush every few months. I'm not exactly sure. My number 7 tip is to clean your ears. I am a Q-tip hoarder. I love Q-tips. No, I don't hoard my old Q-tips. I just love Q-tips, and I'll literally use them when I wake up. After I get out the shower, I clean my ears with my rag, and I just go in with a Q-tip. These Q-tips are the ones that I've been using recently. I hate when people have a bunch of wax in their ears. That's not cute, and it's all in your headphones and stuff. Like, you don't want to do that. So you want to make sure that your ears are clean. Very small tip, but like something that you wouldn't really think of. So my 8th tip is to always try to have clean nails. So myself personally, as you can see, my nails, and if you watch my videos, my nails are pretty much never done. And that's because honestly, like, I don't care to get them done. I would enjoy getting them done every week, but I think that it's an expense that I really can't afford at the moment. So I like wearing my nails plain, short. I cut them whenever they get like too long. I like my nails short, clean. You got to think about it, like, you touch everything with your hands, and dirt gets under your nails, and then you go eat, and then you go touch your face and do your makeup, and it's just not a sanitary thing. So cleaning your nails is an overlooked thing, but it's pretty important, and making sure that they're clipped, trimmed. If you got the money, go get you a manicure. My 9th tip is to clean your sheets weekly. All of those germs and bacteria accumulate in those sheets. When I take my sheets off and strip it to my mattress, I like to go over it with like Lysol spray or Clorox wipes, those disinfectant wipes. I'm about to show you this. I'll literally take these disinfectant wipes and I'll go around my mattress and just disinfect around there. I always have like a bed bug protector on my mattress just because I live in a dorm and this isn't my mattress, but this makes you feel good too, like when you're sleeping. And then my last tip is washing your clothes. And as simple as that sounds, for one, your bras. If you wear your bras often, your boobs are like a concealed and enclosed place. And if you think about it, you sweat. A lot of bacteria can build up in your bras. So you want to make sure that you're washing them pretty frequently and air drying them. You don't want to put them in a dryer because it'll mess up the physical like form of the bra. But making sure that you're washing your bras, making sure that you're changing your underwear, having clean ones on every day. You don't know what type of bacteria and odors build up in your clothes. And that's pretty much my last tip. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know that they were like a lot of common sense tips, but like you never know. Some people might not know. So here's, you know, some tips from me. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.